Okay, I'm back. The kids are still saying mom in the background, so they still may need me. Anyway, I figured that you guys might want to see what like a travel day looks like for us. So by now, by the time you've seen this, you will have seen 3 or 4 of our day trip and travel vlogs. So I thought it would be kind of fun to try to do like a travel with us vlog. So today, it's the day before we leave. Make things a little bit easier on myself, I am going to pack up myself and Ellie and Emmett, and that way tomorrow morning I can get my work done before we leave. So I had Ellie and Emmett bring out outfits for 4 days because I want to have a couple of extra pairs too. So let's get started. I also found these little mini kids video cameras. How cute. How amazing would it be if I could like splice together like the footage that I get and then whatever the kids can pull together. I feel like Ellie and Emmett would get some really, really cool shots. Okay, so I got more emergency stuff. We're gonna bring some baby, well, not baby, but kids Tylenol. I can't find our SPF 100. So we're gonna bring all the highest SPFs that we can find and all these little travel size ones too. I like the little spray ones. This is for your face. This is Ellie's little travel bento box for tomorrow. Let me turn this. Or no, this one's Emmett's. So this one's Emmett's. He's got his cucumber, spears, oranges, grapes, club crackers, cheese, and turkey. And Ellie has all the same stuff except she has blueberries instead. And then we don't have to worry about stopping for food. Okay, hi.
Early the next morning.
All right, so we ended up with 1 suitcase, 1 backpack, 1 bag for me with some extra stuff, camera bag, emergency bag, and then we will also have, is this a okay angle? You look fantastic. We'll also have, see, you distract me when you compliment me. Cool. Okay. So, Mark just left to bring Merlin to be boarded for the weekend, and so the kids and I are going to pack up the car now. It is 12:05, so we are running a little bit behind schedule, but I got all the work that I wanted to get done this morning. So I only have a little bit that I have to do tomorrow, and I sent everything else off to my editor. And yeah, so now we're going to finish packing up the car, and then we will be on our way.
Hit the road.
We will be going on the whale watch, I think, there. Right, Mommy?
Yes.
And,
yeah, the whale watch is on Monday, so we have the rest of today, and then we have tomorrow in Wells, and I have things planned.
we're gonna have so much fun there.
Look, there's a horse and buggy that you were talking about. Oh my god. Apparently there's Amish people up here. Isn't that amazing? I was gonna say, out of all of our travel days, this was probably like the most low-key, which is weird because I had a full work day to do, and we still have a 5-hour probably drive. Oh my god, it was so funny. Like, we're watching the video back. I have our St. Croix Island vlog almost completely finished, and me watching it back, and Emma goes, oh my god, there's Ellie littering. And like we had noticed when we were out there that she had, all of a sudden her juice box was missing. And so we had taken care of it at the time, but we had no idea that we captured it on camera. So it's actually pretty funny. I left it in, and I left a little note saying that we had already talked to her about it, but...
So the kids have to stop and go to the bathroom. Want to go to Starbucks?
Quick mini travel vlog update. What did you get?
I got a cowtail.
A cowtail? What did you get?
I got Fritos.
Your Fritos? They're not... Are they called Fritos? Stop.
They're called.
Okay, I was gonna say.
But I have to open them.
You can't mess with me. I'm very gullible. Okay. Oh. Eyes on the road. Eyes on the road. Eyes on the road. Hey, you love driving my car?
Yes. It's got like the radar guided cruise control. I spent like almost 20 years as an outside salesman driving all over New England making sales calls. So I use the cruise control a lot. And even in my truck to this day, I use my cruise control. And this has the radar guidance. So if someone moves out in front of you, it slows down. If you come up on someone, it slows down. But then when you move over to the left lane, it speeds back up all on its own. It's awesome.
Do you want to know what I was thinking now?
Yeah.
So my first thought was like, so I've had my car since 2023, and I have never once used the cruise control. And you think it's amazing, right?
It's
it
awesome.
Reminds me
This
of
is a
like
great
ChatGPT
car.
and how like some people like are really all excited about like ChatGPT, and other people are not at all excited about it and just like don't give a what?
Can you bleep things?
Can I bleep? Yeah.
Even when you get south of Augusta, it's,
The,
people are a little less considerate.
The locals, they told us that basically south of Augusta is just northern Massachusetts.
Yeah. Paying attention to the speed, I just came up on this guy. Car slowed down to 75, which is what this guy's cruise control is probably set at. And I don't have to do anything. I don't have to hit the brakes or worry about, cruising up into right behind him.
See, I cannot imagine not actively driving.
I am actively driving.
You're not actively driving. It's the cruise control is handling it. Your exact words were, this thing could basically drive itself.
I did. Well, I don't have the lane keeping assist on. If you put that on, the car will actually steer for you.
I know, I hate it. I don't like any of it. I like driving. That guy's fine. Workout in after a long travel day, huh? You want to go have dinner? Awesome.
I love my mama.
If there are rocks to climb on, Emmett will find them and climb them. This is fun. Oh, look, there's magnets, Alice. You get to pick this time. This is the most Maine store I've ever seen. Here's the wall of magnets, Ellie. Oh, Ellie, look at this one. Yeah, they did. Any good shirts?
How's your day going, Mommy?
It's going. How's your day going, Mama?
Good. Say cheese, Mommy.
Cheese, Mommy. Something like that. We just grabbed some dinner. We came back because our Airbnb is so cute. We decided we're going to sit here, we're going to watch a family movie together, have some dinner at the little coffee table, and then Mark and I are going to go through my Google list of itineraries for this trip and decide what we can do, what we want to do, what's our priority to do, what maybe we don't want to do. We'll go through that, and then we're going to call it an early night.
I'm excited for a Maine diner. Roast turkey dinner.
Today, hopefully you guys learned a little bit about how we go about our travel days and maybe took something from it.
Viewers, I'm gonna take a bite of this French fry. That's the stuff. Bye.
Later that night.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Bugs, bugs, bugs.
I'm really proud.